Good morning, everybody. Don't mind my rough appearance. I'm out here in Walterboro at the Walterboro Wildlife Sanctuary, where my sister and I are at this awesome Charleston to Savannah wagon trail. It's super cool. And yeah, so nature trailing it today for a little while. We were going to take this, but we think it's been blocked off. Yeah, let me see. Oh. How'd you get over this? Oh. I'm not that agile. There's my sister. Cool. Wow. Yeah, guys. Bridge is gone. I don't think we're going to be going that way.
Yeah. Emily, come on.
No, Joanna?
Come on.
Look, guys. My sister wants me to go on that.
Come on.
Isn't she crazy? Mm-mm.
It's fun. This
Bye.
is the way to go.
Alright, guys. You see, we made it through that one section over way back there. And now we're at this broken bridge, and my sister still wants me to go down it. Alright. Here I go. Don't judge my shoes. Wow. Okay, made it. Now run. This trail is actually super cool. I love it. Also, my sister told me to be quiet. I don't know why. Okay, guys. I think we're coming to the end of our road on this. And of course, Joanna's probably going to be like, nah, it's cool. Let's just keep going. Joanna, I don't want to go anymore. After a few seconds of arguing, I've decided to proceed as to not upset my sister. So, oh God, I'm wearing the wrong shoes for this, guys. Oh, my back hurts too. Oh, sweet shit. Ah. Okay. Joanna, what hurricane got rid of this?
This is not from a hurricane. This is from that
Tornado. This is tornado damage. Oh, shit. Shoot, I mean. Wow. Oh, I got it on camera.
right here.
Okay, well, wait for me.
Okay, come on. We have to crawl our way out of this one.
Oh, no, Joanna. Oh, God, guys. See, y'all see the kind of shoes I'm wearing?
Get on my back.
Look at these shoes. No, man. Okay, so we both successfully made it through this little obstacle. Right here. We did it. Y'all, don't mind my sister. She's more goofy than I am. Watch as this video captures our death. Okay, it was just a squirrel climbing up a tree. That's all. Just a squirrel. Hey guys, my sister is single. Guys, I have to say this is way more fun than going to the gym. I prefer to do this every single day. Screw the gym. Joanna is just being so weird. Okay, here we are. The Great Swamp Sanctuary Discovery Center. It is not here. There should be a building right here, but it's not. It's snot or not. Ooh, look at this. Cool. Anyways. What we found on the trail, guys, a beautiful beauty berry. Joanna, isn't this what the natives made like makeup out of? I think they made lipstick out of these beautiful berries. And this, oh, that scared me. Wow. Wow. I think that they use it to dye clothing. I'm not sure, but when I find out, I'll put it down in the comments below, okay? But don't go put no berry on your face, okay? All right. Bye. Hey, look, a fishing rod.